Welcome everyone. In this video I will teach you about the graph editor in After Effects. So graph editors are used to create organic and more fluent animations in After Effects. So let's create a new composition, make it 5 seconds long, click OK. So we have our composition. Let's create a circle here. Okay, and we don't want any stroke, so let's turn it off. So we have our circle. Let's make it in this color. Okay, right now one problem we are seeing that our anchor point of this circle is outside of the circle. So in order to make it to the center, what we can do, we can click on the transform and select, and then click on anchor point and press Ctrl Alt Home at the same time, and you can see now our anchor point is in the center of the shape layer. Okay, then increase the size like this. Okay, let's animate it. So turn the auto key on turn the stopwatch on for the position, move it to the 2 second and animate it like this. Okay, so we have our animation. Okay, let's make it closer. Okay, let's decrease the area. So this is our animation. Okay, right now the problem with this animation is that it is very linear. Okay, it has no kind of acceleration, deceleration. So in order to create acceleration and deceleration, we can create easy ease like this. Okay, and now if you click on this button here, it will open the graph editor. Okay, and then select the position. Right now we are seeing the graph editor for the value. So for this class I want to show you the speed graph. So let's click on it, and now you can see the speed of our animation is linear, which is a straight line, you can see. Okay, let's turn off the graph editor, select the keyframes, right click and make them easy ease. And now if you go to graph editor, you can see they are changed. So the speed of our animation will be higher at this point and it will be slower at this point. Okay, let's zoom in by clicking this button. Okay, and then select each point. You can see this tangent and create a tangent like this. And if I run the animation now, you can see the speed, because this part is in the bottom side, so it is slower, and this is on the top side, so it is faster. You can see the animation. You can make them closer like this, and you can hold and move it like this. So now we have created a sharp okay, let's make it a little bit closer, not too much. Okay, so now we have created a sharp pin. Okay, if I'm going to run the animation, you can see the difference. Okay, let's make it a little bit far away. Okay, let's run the animation. Okay, now it looks much better. You can turn the motion blur on by clicking this button, and now motion blur is on. So in this way you can play with the speed of your animations and you can make them more organic. Okay, if you want more speed in the start, you can create this. If you want more speed in the end, you can create a curve like this. Okay, in this way you can play with the graph editors in After Effects. Let's turn off the graph editor, delete this shape layer, create a new circle, go to the anchor point, press Alt Ctrl Home to make the anchor point in the center, then animate the scale. So initially we don't want any scale, let's make it 0. and then we want some scale like this, and then we want a little bit less scale. So what we've done, we have created this kind of animation. Okay, let's select all of them. Let's select middle one and apply easy ease. Okay, now go to graph editor, select the scale, change it to speed graph, and now we can edit and modify our speed graph like this. Okay, let's move it here, move it, make this point a little bit better. Yeah, let's run the animation. So in this way we can create okay. Okay, so in this way you can modify animations with the help of graph editor. And that's it for this video.